Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be reviewing DFY Bonus Suite by Chris Derenberger. This is basically a training on how to create a complete bonus delivery system for when you make affiliate sales and when you try and make affiliate commissions. Now this is the main members area. I'll go through that shortly. This is my review page. It's available via the link below. Now I go through all the main features, the pricing, the upsells, and I give my conclusion. If you click on any of these green buttons, you'll be taken straight to the sales page, and you'll automatically get all of these bonuses below. The first bonus is a WordPress plugin quick start install. So I'll show you how to quickly get started with 10 or 12 of my favorite plugins. These are my must-have plugins that I put on every single site that I launch, and I've got 200 plus sites. The second bonus is access to AutoTube. So this is for whether you have a website or not, but you can use YouTube to generate traffic towards your affiliate sales, affiliate pages, and also you can grow a list using this method. Bonus 3 is a downloadable video course all about WordPress automation. So you learn how to automate everyday tasks, and basically it saves you time. Bonus 4 is access to a downloadable video course called WordPress Affiliate System. So it teaches you how to make a affiliate WordPress website and make some money. The fifth bonus is the secret weapon, so you get access to this complete course. This teaches you the basic and advanced techniques on how to get more traffic to your websites. The sixth bonus is the Fuego Breakout course. It's another full course. You can access how to use ads to make affiliate commissions. And the final bonus is all of the vendor bonuses, which I know are email opt-ins and some other templates. So let's get into the training course. Okay, so this is the sales page. He goes through over. He tells you what the training is all about. So it's useful for Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, and others. So for myself, I use it for mainly Warrior Plus and JVZoo. Now with this training, you can make an unlimited number of bonus pages for as many promotions as you have. And they're all proven to work because he uses a lot of them himself. And he's a top marketer. You can send your traffic from YouTube, from Facebook, paid ads, email marketing. I know Facebook are very strict with normal bonus pages. So if you're sending it to your own site, then there should be no problem with Facebook ads. A few testimonials, some income proofs. He highly emphasizes the point where if you have bonuses, you can make multiple more commissions than if you haven't got bonuses. More bonus proof. He tells you briefly why you should use these pages. Okay, and this was included in the front end. So you get 4 professionally designed templates. They're easy to edit with Elementor, which is free, the basic version. Proven high click-through rates. You've got integrated countdown timers. You can chop and change the page as you wish. It's very easy. And these are the 4 templates provided. It's full training from the beginning to end. It's all really easy to follow. Let me quickly show you inside the members area. So this is the main members page. So you click on main training, and you're taken to all of the training modules. So there's an intro, how to buy a domain, how to get hosting, how to attach the two. Because you get bonus pages and there's other plugins that you need, just save you a bit of time. He's giving you the full import. So all you have to do is download a plugin and you can import the whole page and add all the plugins and everything. So it really is a quick start guide, a quick start method. This is the overview of how to get started when you're editing your page. You go through all the website settings that you need. Headers and footers, how to edit the page itself, to customize it, to add your own logos and so on. How to edit the bonus pages, and this is quite important, where to get bonuses from. So if you're new, you don't have a big collection of training or courses or products, you need somewhere to get high quality products, PR products and products that you can sell on and give away. It goes through how to deliver your bonuses. So once someone makes a purchase via one of your links, they get taken to a link that then they need to click on to download or to receive something. So you need to know how to send them the bonus that they've purchased, what they're expecting from their purchase. Using Dropbox, Elementor Advanced, so it's some more advanced features that you can use in Elementor, and also how to rank your pages and your website in Google. There are some upsells. You can read more on my page. I made a brief guide here. So upsell 1 is premium bonuses. So Chris has got a few courses selling for $97 plus for each course, and he allows you to include 2 of these courses as your own bonuses, so you can give those away. Upsell 2 is how to build a list. So it shows you how to capture email addresses and build a list from those sales. And option 3 is reseller rights. So you'll get 100% commission, front-end commission on every product, every one of these courses that you sell. So if you purchase this, you'll always guarantee 100% commission. In my conclusion, I asked, is it worth it? And I believe it is if you're a beginner or intermediate user, because I've been through the course and I am quite good at WordPress. You probably can't tell from this site, but to be honest, this site is under construction. It's a fairly new site. I haven't really installed everything I need to yet. I've just been putting up a little bit of content. But if you're a beginner or intermediate user, this is really, it's quite educational, and you can pick up quite a few tips. And same with the upsells. If you're new and you need some products, high quality products to give away, these premium bonuses are a really good option. And if you don't have a list, I think this is only $27. Let me see. Yes, $27. So you can upsell 2 for $27, and you get training on how to build a list. So let me go through the pricing. I forgot to do that. So the front end course is $16.95, which is a steal. The premium bonuses are $37. The list building upsell OTO2 is $27, and the full resale right is $67. There's no scarcity, no danger of the prices going up. But if you do buy it in the first 3 days, you get 2 extra templates. So after the launch period, which is from the 3rd to the 6th, I believe, if you buy it within that time, you'll get access to the 2 extra templates. Now it's a great product, good training, and if you're new to WordPress, or if you're new to delivering bonuses and making affiliate commissions and sales, I highly recommend this course. The price is amazing, and Chris is a top guy. His Facebook group is incredible. I'm part of the group, and yeah, there's nothing to lose here. It's only $16-17, and you can easily make that money back with just a couple of sales. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching this review, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.